dear students, after watching this full video, you will be able to name complex compounds according to IUPAC system of nomenclature and also derive their structures from the given names. Students, through my videos, I am explaining NCERT textbook clearly with more examples, and also I am explaining NCERT exercise problems. So please watch my full videos, and if you need any particular concept, please mention in comment box. Based on that concept, we can prepare videos. Students, today in this class we will discuss complex compounds nomenclature. Complex compounds nomenclature means, students, generally previous till now 5 rules we prepared, means select the longest carbon chain, numbering, and how to write the name. That all we prepared in the previous videos. Now, students, same that rules only we are using here. Complex compound means previous students branches. These are the branches are there. How to give the names we discussed. Now here the branches further having substituents, that are the complex compounds. Simple, students. E complex compounds names we will write in the bracket. Then the remaining compound as it is we will write, students. So now, students, here, and also while you giving the name for this compound, say as it is, students, we should select the longest carbon chain, substituents before the root word, like that we will write, students. Now you see here this compound, it is the one complex locant, students. This is the complex locant. Complex locant. Locant means substituent, students. Now it is the generally normal locants. Previous we prepared methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, like this is the locant, students. Same thing, this is also locant. Means where we are calling as a locant means locant or substituent means only methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, like that, without any other branches, that are the locants or substituent. Now the substituent further having the branches means that is the complex locant. This name separately we will write in the bracket. Now students, these compound complex locants, sometimes they are giving in the common names, sometimes they are asking in the IUPAC names. Together we will discuss, students. Now students, here e complex locant clearly I am explaining here. A complex locant, what type of complex locants are there, how to give the nomenclature for that, I will explain here, students. Now first, before going to that, students, this is the parent carbon chain, 1 to 16 I given, that is the parent carbon chain. The remaining all are the substituted carbons. Okay, now in this complex locant, students, the carbon which is directly attached to the parent carbon chain, to that carbon we should give the number 1. From there onwards we will select the carbon chain. Substituents before the root word we will write, students. Now complex locants, how many types are there, that we will discuss, students. Now students, first complex locant 1, CH3 CH3-PC is there, students. Now you see, students, here 2 methyl groups, terminal position in the given carbon chain, terminal position, 2 methyl groups attached, that is called iso, students. Terminal position, 2 methyl groups attached, that is the iso. PC means parent, principal carbon chain. You see here, suppose this compound is the same looking like here, 2 methyl groups attached with the PC. Okay, so that is called iso. Common name, students, iso. How many carbons are there? 3 are there. 3 carbons are there. Propyl, isopropyl. Okay. Now IUPAC nomenclature, same, students, should give the numbering, and substituent should write before the root word, like that as it is, students. Now here 1 PC means, here PC means this is the parent carbon chain. Next, which is the directly attached to the PC, first one, number 1, and next which direction we can go, this direction or this direction, 2. That is the one. Now here, students, IUPAC name, first position methyl group is there, no? That's why 1 methyl. Next root word, students, here 2 carbons are there, ethyl. 1 methyl, ethyl. Why we didn't write complete name, students? It is not end of the compound. Suppose here CH2 is there, any carbon, suppose complete chain is there, AN we will write. Not completed, no, it is attached with the principal carbon chain. That's why methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that, no? Not completed means like that we will write, students. Now next one, students, suppose if it is like CH3, CH3, CH2, PC is there. Understood now? Now here students, same as above, like methyl group is there. Now here same students, terminal position to methyl groups are there, iso. How many carbons are there total? 4 carbons are there. Butyl, isobutyl. Now students, numbering for IUPAC nomenclature 1, 2, 3. Second position methyl group is there, 2 methyl, 2 methyl propyl, 2 methyl propyl. Students, it is same compound. Suppose if it is there like this, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3 is there. This is the isobutane we will call, students. That's why I'm telling here complete names why we are not writing means, suppose it is the isobutane. Here students, now here suppose if it is there like this, CH2 dash isobutyl, CnH2n plus 1 formula it is satisfying. If it is satisfied CnH2n plus 2 formula, isobutane. You can understand, students? It is not completed structure, that's why we are writing, students. Okay? You know the difference. Complete name means CnH2n plus 2 formula. Okay? One hydrogen difference is there, methyl. CnH2n plus 1 formula, it is satisfied. Like that, students. Now, here, students, the second compound, one more. Here, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, PC is there, students. PC means principal carbon chain there, given. Now, students, here terminal position to methyl groups are there, iso. Not there means that is not an iso. Then what we will call? Students, suppose earlier classes you know that C is single bond C. Is like suppose. Now here it is the primary, is the secondary, is the primary, no? Carbon further connected with one carbon means primary. Carbon further connected with one carbon means primary. E carbon, middle carbon connected with the two carbons, no? That's why it is the secondary. So like that, students. Same way, here also further carbons will be there. That's why the secondary carbon. Is secondary carbon having methyl group, no? That's why it is a secondary. SCC means secondary butyl. Secondary butyl. Total 4 carbons are there, students. Next, IUPAC. 1, 2, 3. Now here 1 methyl propyl. 1 methyl propyl. Okay, like these, students. Next, CH3, CH. Next, one more compound, students. CH3. Here CH3. Here CH3 dash is there. Now here, students, this carbon is directly attached with PC, principal carbon chain. Now here, students, which is principal attached to the principal carbon chain, that is having 3 carbons. That's why it is a tertiary carbon. Carbon further connected with 3 carbons. That's why it is the tertiary. Tertiary. Total how many carbons are there, students? 4 are there. Tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. Next, here numbering, students, 1, 2, 3. Not like that, students, because here principal carbon chain is there, students. Should not give like this, students, because here it is attached with the principal carbon chain. No? What I told here, the carbon which is directly attached to the principal carbon chain, we should give it number 1. From there onwards, we should start the numbering. That's why we should not give like this. We should start numbering from here. This is the 1. Don't consider it as a double bond, students. I will write it here. 1. This is the 2, students. Next, first position 2 methyl groups are there, no? That's why 1, 1 dimethyl. Root word, students, first position 2 methyl groups are there. 1, 1 dimethyl. Root word, 2 carbons are there. Ethyl. Next, CH3. CH2. Now it is attached with PC, principal carbon chain. Now total 5 carbons are there, and carbon further connected with 4 carbon means we will call it as a neopentyl. Okay, next, it is directly connected with the PC means from here we should give the numbering 1, 2, 3. Now here, students, it is a 2, 2 dimethyl dimethyl, root word propyl, 2, 2 dimethyl propyl. Okay, like this we can give the naming, students. These all are the locants, complex locants. If it is there, this locant, we will give the naming like this. If it is there like this, we will give the names like this. The complex locants only I explain, students. Next we will do some problems, some examples we will discuss. You will get the clarity. Please note down, students. Now see this example, students. Now in this compound, what is the complex locant? How to give the nomenclature for this compound we will discuss. Now here, students, first we should select the longest carbon chain. While we selecting the longest carbon chain, number of substituents should include in the carbon chain. Students, if you select the longest carbon chain like this, only 2 substituents, complete 1 substituent only we will consider, because the carbon atom further connected with 1 carbon, no? So that's why it is the complete 1 substituent. It is 1 substituent, only 2 substituents are there. Suppose if you select the carbon chain like this, longest carbon chain, we are getting 1, 2, 3 substituents including. So while you selecting the longest carbon chain, more number of substituents should include in the carbon chain. Okay, like that we will select, students. Now students, here also it is giving the number 10 only. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 it is giving, but substituents only 2 are there. This direction, if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This side 10 it is coming. Suppose if you go E direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only it is coming, students. So longest carbon chain means maximum number of carbon atoms should include in the carbon chain, and more substituents should include in the carbon chain. So like that, this direction we are getting, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This direction we are going, students. This direction here 2, here 1, total 3 substituents including. This direction also 10 we are getting, but only 2 substituents. That's why more substituents covering this direction we are giving the numbering, students. Now students, methyl, 2 methyl groups mean that is a simple locants only. Next here, this compound is having further branches now. So that's why it is a complex locant. So now a complex locant, the carbon which is directly attached to the principal carbon chain, from there we should start the numbering. Now that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, while you writing the name, first this complex locant name we should write, we should keep in the bracket. Next to the remaining compound name, we can write it, students. Easy, students. Listen. Now here, students, the carbon which is attached, parent carbon chain having the branch, this complex locant. That's why here 5 students. 5th carbon having this attached with that complex locant. That's why 5. Next. Now numbering we given, students. Now second position, ethyl group is there. That's why here 2 ethyl. Second position, ethyl is there. Root word, 4 carbon atoms are there. Butyl. 2 ethyl, butyl is the root word, 4 carbon atoms are. Ethyl is the second position, ethyl is the 2 ethyl. Completed, students. Next, here, students, normal as it is compound name. Now here 3, 3 dimethyl, 3, 3 dimethyl. Next, root word, students, 10 carbon atoms are there. Dec, primary suffix ane. Students, is complex compounds nomenclature easy, students. 1 to 5 rules you already prepared. Extra thing here, complex compound it is coming. That name separately we are giving, name also separately we are writing. Numbering separately giving, name separately giving. That we are writing in the bracket. The remaining as it is, students, previous 5 rules what you prepared as it is. Okay, like this, students. Please note down. Next, this compound they given, students. Here only one substituent is there, that is the complex locant, because substituent further having branches means complex locant. Now, students, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th position, this side substituent is there. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side also 5th position. So, numbering you can give in the any direction. Okay, we should not go like this, students. If you go this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons are coming. But E direction, 9 carbons are coming. Okay, that's why we should select the longest carbon chain. It is a complex ligand, like we will consider, students. Now we can give this direction or this direction. Both the directions same, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons are coming this side, students. This side 9 carbons are coming. So that is the longest carbon chain. Now name, students. Here fifth position substituent is there. 5. Here, students, what I told here, complex ligand separate numbering. The carbon which is directly attached to the parent carbon chain, from there we should start the numbering 1, 2, 3. Now second position, 2 methyl groups are there, students. 2, 2 dimethyl, 2, 2 dimethyl, root word propyl, completed, students. Next, here root word, students, root word 9 carbons are there, non primary suffix ane, none. Like this we can write the compound name, students. Complex ligand name, bracket, the remaining as it is, open bracket, we are writing, students. Please note down. Next, this compound, students. In this compound, 2 complex ligands are there, students. So select the longest carbon chain. We know that this direction we are getting the longest carbon chain. Give the numbering. While you giving the numbering, more substituents should include in the carbon chain, students. Is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 carbons are there, students. Here 2 substituents they given, students. That cases, some cases previous IUPAC nomenclature, previous examples I completed, students. Now common nomenclature we will discuss. Now 2 substituents are there here. 2 complex ligand are there here. Now this position previous I given the list now. Secondary carbon, students. The carbon parent attached to the parent carbon. This carbon atom is the secondary. Means this side carbons are there, students. Now this is the isopropyl. Now students, here secondary iso is not a numerical prefix. These are the numerical prefixes, but we can't include it with give the priority like alphabetical order. Butyl, propyl, we will give it as a alphabetical priority, students. Now B first alphabet, then iso propyl is the next alphabet, like that it is coming now. So now while you are writing the name, students, here fifth position butyl, secondary butyl, students, butyl, B alphabet we are giving. Now here fourth position for isopropyl, students. Here I told now secondary iso not giving as a alphabetical priorities. Compound butyl, propyls are the compound. To them only we are giving the alphabetical order. Now completed. Prefixes completed. Substituent names completed. Next, root word, students. Here dec is the root word, ane is the primary suffix. Decane is the compound name, parent carbon chain. Now same like that, students. Here we should select the longest carbon chain, students. So like that, students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the directions same only. That's why we can give the numbering like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this we can do. Now compound name, students. Third position ethyl is there. 3 ethyl. Second position methyl groups are there. 2, 2 dimethyl. Pent is the root word. ane is the primary suffix. Pentane is the compound. Substituents, suppose generally by seeing this one, this is a complex ligand, like that we will students, but we should select the longest carbon chain and priorities, then only we can give the nomenclature. Please note down, students. Next, students, this compound here, complex ligand is there here, students. Numbering, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This direction, sixth position locant is there. And this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth position is there. So now numbering we can give from this direction. Now it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We given numbering like this, students. Now here students writing the name. Fifth position is the complex locant is there, no? It is the 1, it is the 2. Now fifth position dash. Here students 1 position 2 methyl groups are there. 1 comma 1 dimethyl. Methyl groups are there, students. Dimethyl. Close the bracket. Dimethyl. Root word, students. 2 carbon atoms are there, no? Connectivity. Dimethyl, ethyl. Close the bracket. Next, 10 carbon atoms are there in the parent carbon chain. Dec, A-N-E is the primary suffix. Fifth position, complex locant is there. Here, first position 2 methyl groups are there. 1 comma 1 dimethyl, ethyl. Next, root word is the dec, A-N is the primary suffix, students. Like this. We can write the name, students. Students are given prefixes. Simple locants are there. 2 substituents are there. The complex locant 2 substituents. Here you see, student, complex locants 2 types repeated. Same complex locants. Cases we will use the bis. Suppose 3 are there, means simple locants try. Here complex locants tris. Like this, E terminology we will use, students. Important point this one. Now here this compound nomenclature, students. 1, 2, 3, 4. This direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth position. So numbering we can give this direction, students. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now fourth position, students. Fourth position, complex locants 2 times repeated. Complex locants 2 times repeated means prefix term bis we will use, students. 4 comma 4. Fourth position 2. Then no, suppose here 1 position 2 methyl group is there, means 1 comma 1 di you are writing, no, like this. Now 4 comma 4 here bis. What is repeated, students? Same. Here we will give the numbering, students. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Now 1 methyl, root word ethyl, 1 methyl ethyl, bis, 1 methyl ethyl 2 times repeated, 1 methyl bis. Root word, students, oct is the root word, A-N-E is the primary suffix. Like this, we can write the compound name, students. Please note down. Students, till now complex compounds nomenclature I completed. Please subscribe this channel, share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you.